So, Cordia, here we are together, we are determined, and my friends, we are ready to move heaven and earth to elect Catherine Connolly as our next Uachtaráin na hÉireann. The story of the Irish nation has been written at seminal moments when we looked with courage to the Ireland that can be. An Ireland shaped by our shared values, fairness, equality, compassion, community, economic justice, and the reunification of our country. An Ireland that rises to the promise of the proclamation of the Republic, the pursuit of the happiness and prosperity of the whole nation, cherishing all the children of the nation equally. A united republic where you can have an affordable, secure house, access to timely health care, where every child has a school place, where our young people can build a good life here at home, where citizens with disabilities enjoy their full citizenship rights, where care is truly valued and carers fully respected, and where no child is left to wait and wait for surgeries that would change their lives, that would save their lives. Friends, these are the values that are hardwired into the DNA of Catherine Connolly. She is a woman of the utmost integrity, a woman of honour, who has always stood up for the voiceless and for those left behind. An ordinary, extraordinary woman, a proud Gael, driven by a vision of Ireland where the aspirations and well-being of the people come first. Catherine is about the future. And inch by inch, we are getting closer to a united Ireland. I believe that we will see unity referendums during the term of the next presidency. And Catherine Connolly will be a president who champions Irish unity in our time, because reunification is the very best way to unlock all of Ireland's incredible potential and build our new future together.